Welcome to 440 Bollinger Canyon Lane, Unit 299 in San Ramon. This is a bright and spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath, top-floor condominium located in a gated community right behind the San Ramon Club Sport. As you can see, this home is move-in ready. It has a private balcony, in-unit laundry, assigned parking, and access to pool, hot tub, and walking paths that make this neighborhood feel like a resort. Living here means you're just minutes from city center, top-rated San Ramon schools, golf courses, and other outdoor trails. If you have been searching for a low-maintenance starter home or an investment property in a prime location in San Ramon, 440 Bollinger Canyon Lane, Unit 299 might just be the one for you. DM me for details.